everyone. So we all know the summer's over, right? Because, I mean, it is November and Thanksgiving is just around the corner. That's why I am back here at Regeneris Medical Medspa in Westwood, my favorite place, so that I can get rid of all the dead cells, the dead skins, everything, sunspots that, you know, the summer has brought onto my face. So come with me and see what Dr. Welter is going to do for me today. Come on. Hello.
Oh, hey, you're here.
So here we are. Dr. Welter, let's get my face a little fresher, because the summer did some tolls on it, and I just came back from Clearwater, Florida.
Yeah, with Hulk.
With Hulk Hogan.
Cool.
Stay tuned for that episode.
Yeah.
So, what are we doing today to give me a fresher?
So, we're going to do, basically, I think something that can be done anytime. We're going to do a series of things that you can do separately or in session. We're going to do them in session today because you're coming all the way down to do it today. So, we're going to get a couple things done. Okay. But basically, the first thing we're going to do is something you've already had done. We're going to clean your face and do the Hollywood facial. The reason that we like to do that, it's called a spectra peel. It's like doing a chemical peel without any chemicals. It uses the carbon, will basically, it doesn't react, but it'll stick to the epithelial cells of your skin, and when we blast all that off, you get kind of like a cleansing. Okay, so it's like a light chemical peel is the way. So it gives you a little bit of skin tightening, definitely gives you a nice glow, but it'll clean everything out, cleans out some of the pores, and just gives us a nice surface to work with.
Is there any downtime for this?
Zero downtime. This is actually something that people will do, like, you know, the day before prom or something, you can do it, or, you know, any event. It's perfect for that because it's a clean. It's basically an exfoliation and a cleaning without having to do the things that sometimes cause you some trauma from that, you know, when you do dermablading and that sort of stuff. So again, it's light. It's a light treatment, but it's a very nice, strong treatment, easy to do. Again, no downtime, and does good. So we'll do that.
Yep.
That'll take us about 15-20 minutes. Really look at how clean the skin is after this.
So the popping sound is doing what, Dr. Welter?
Well, basically the laser is blasting away the carbon, which is now bonded a little bit with your skin. And so by doing that, it's taking away that very superficial layer of skin and any dirt or debris in your pores that's coming out with it. So it's just a nice clean. You can already just see the glow that she has from this. It's really nice. Now look how beautiful her nose is coming out. So you take this off here. Just watch how smooth. You can just see the pores are just being cleaned out. You see that? Just taking everything out. It's really nice. After we do that, then the skin will be perfectly clean. We're going to numb everything up. We're going to also then give you our CO2 peel. Now, I don't know if you did that before or not.
Nope, this is the first time.
Okay,
I'm excited.
So great, yeah. Basically, it's got two packages to it, okay? And they mix together. This is you can do at home. You can use any little bowl or container that you have to do this. And you have the powder. Paste goes in like that. You take these two and mix them up together like this. Very good. Once it's in the reaction phase, all mixed up, you can start to apply. So carbon dioxide into the skin is actually also very regenerative. So this peel will actually, as it's sitting on, the carbon dioxide is moving into the epithelium to the dermis, and that will also cause some rejuvenation. Then that all kind of peels off. You can see that process. And then again, nice clean skin, and because we have some numbing medicine underneath, you'll have a good 30 minutes of numbing with that. Okay.
Then you said this is not a series, but people can get in series, and so the CO2 that complements the Hollywood facial.
Yeah, it does. It complements. This is something, the CO2 lift you can actually do at home.
Oh wow.
Yeah, so I'll give you one to do. Okay. But basically, yeah, you can do it on your program. So basically, it's a really great thing. You mix these two, you do it at home, and basically you wear it. You have to wear it for about 45 minutes, okay?
Yeah.
And then you peel it off yourself. It's
Oh, wow.
It's a nice home therapy. So this is something we're going to do for you here, but you can also do it at home.
Okay.
Then we have basically we're going to be drawing your blood, okay, while you're kind of numbing up. I'll get your platelet-rich plasma, okay? We'll do that process, and then we'll do the light microneedling with the platelet-rich plasma and our stem cell serum and our regenerative serum that we use, and then that'll basically be a nice cellular stimulation. We use the microneedles to make tiny little pores for everything to get better absorbed. And so the absorption then through the epithelium, we want to really get into that dermis. That basically will stimulate collagen, elastin, a cellular repair. Basically, that's the whole key. Just kind of turning on that cellular repair to keep everything kind of tight, firm.
Youthful.
Yeah, and youthful, right.
Youthful.
So true anti-aging using your own cells, okay? Just like we do with Steve's knee, but we're doing to your face, same thing.
Sounds very similar to the vampire facial.
Right.
That's very popular.
So the vampire facial is basically PRP with some microneedling. This is just adding a lot of different things to that so that we get a really better long-term result. So,
that's what we want, results, right?
Yeah.
Long-term results, yes. All right,
Yeah,
that's
so
the key.
that's it.
You want long-term results, come down to see Dr. Welter.
That's
He's
right.
Regeneris. Well, I feel amazing. Do I look amazing? I mean, glowy.
Your eyes are...
You say you look amazing now, but I'm going to be
You're gonna
feeling
look
and look
amazing.
amazing.
This is,
Thank you so
exactly.
much, Dr.
You're gonna do
Welter.
great.
Oh my God,
Perfect.
yes.
Give it a day or two.
TV ready.
And take another photo. You're going to look spectacular.
Yes.
Everything's going to tighten and pull, and you're going to feel that infusion over the next couple days. It's going to be perfect.
I already feel rejuvenated. Oh
Yeah.
my gosh. All right. Stay tuned. Make sure you keep following me to see all the results from Dr. Welter.